Welcome to the jungle. Na 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 na. Welcome to the jungle. Na 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 na. Lily, where are you? Where are you? You're in the jungle? Yes. Na 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 na. Our friend. There are many of them here. So we go there, or we go up. Where we go?
We need to choose. Let's see.
So nice to walk without shoes. For me, it's no problem because I'm like a leather man, you know, so I get used to walk on the rocks next to cactuses, so my feet is not big deal, you know, and it's so cool. You get used to it. For me, it's very nice, connected to nature. You can dance if you want, you know. So it's very beautiful road going around of the mountain. The down you can see is down part, and like this road, there's many trees, like in a totally jungle, not like in a jungle. And you see going up, and you see my camera woman up there. She's filming porn producer, so we have some kind of vacation together. And I'll talk about business things, and so we're gonna do some porn movies. Okay, you have to. Oh, la, 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 la.
Perfetto.
And that's where we arrive. Even you have a taxi here. Probably jeep taxi. Look at our butterfly flying. So nice.
Yes. Cubo de la Galga. We are here.
Exactly.
We made it.
We made it. Cubo de la Galga.